Welcome to episode 3 of the Screencast series, a part of the MOtIvATE project. We're looking at the SMS system that we're using to deploy text as part of the project, namely Txttools. In this episode, we're looking at the groups function. So we're using the contacts that we created in the last episode in the address book and creating groups from them. So we've got the groups function here in the middle, okay, or the groups button. If we click on that, it takes us into the list groups view. And that's the first option on the left here, list groups. Whenever we click that, it'll take us back to this view. There's nothing to display yet because we haven't created any groups, so let's do that now. Here, the next option, new group, is where you create the new groups. So click on that and it takes you into a new page where you can actually add the details of the group. So class A, okay. You can add a description if you wish. And then at the bottom half of the screen, you've got potential group members on the left and current group members on the right. So select Joe, click on add, and he moves over into the current group members. Click on Sue, add, and it moves them over to the current group members. Okay, and you can do the same to remove. Click on Joe, remove, and that takes them back into the potential members group. Just put them back over there. So to save that group, you click on save and it takes you back to the list groups view. Okay, so you've got the class name, the description, and the number of members in that group. You can click on the group name and it takes you back into the detail where you can continue to add and remove people from that group, remembering to click save when you need to. Let's go back into the list group view. Just create a second group there. Put Billy into, so class B. Click on Billy. We're going to put Billy on his own into that group. Okay, you can see the difference here. I didn't put a description in for class B, so it's left that blank, and you can see on the right hand side 2 members in class A, 1 member in class B. Okay. If you had a lot of groups, you could do a search here and actually search the group name. Similarly, if you've got a large number of groups, you can change the number of those that are shown on each page here. Okay, in the next episode, we continue looking at groups where we will look at the new custom group and the combined groups features. Thank you very much.